If you're ever in the area of Elora, Ontario, I highly recommend making a stop. It's definitely worth a visit. Last weekend we took the drone with us. It's been a while since I got a chance to fly the drone. And I was pretty lucky we got to see these guys doing I think it's slacklining or tightrope walking. I think it's slacklining. It takes some serious nerves to do this. I can't imagine this, especially when that happens right there. That would scare the crap out of me. These guys showed some serious upper body strength in order to get back up on there, and they kept doing this. Several times they made it across. I was a little worried I was distracting with the drone, so I made sure to keep my distance and fly well above them or keep away from them. Anyways, it was a beautiful day, beautiful scenery. Highly recommend the area, and enjoy the video.